Me Hulk! Me ready to smash Loki!
Don't you dare touch me, Hulk, or you'll regret it.
Hulk tired of listening to silly Loki. Loki make Hulk's head hurt. Hulk smash! What? What? Hulk yellow?
It's a trick that I've placed on you, Hulk. Now, anytime you touch something, you'll turn into that color.
No! Hulk hate yellow! Hulk don't want to be yellow! No!
Loki away! Woo!
Now Hulk yellow! This not right! Hulk want to smash yellow!
Look out!
Me Rhino! Me also like to smash things!
Look out, Hulk! Wait, Hulk? Hulk, why are you yellow?
Yeah, man, that's kind of weird. Me don't know what happened. Me was trying to smash Loki, and then he put a weird spell on me. And now, anytime I touch something, like Spider-Man...
Whoa! Dude, you're red like me!
I know, it's pretty crazy, right?
See if you can turn gray like Rhino.
Okay.
Whoa, it worked! You're gray, just like Rhino.
Hey, no one's allowed to be gray except me. Me sorry, me not trying. But me just happen to change color whenever me touch something.
This is really weird. I know who could help us out. Oops, sorry buddy, I turned you red again. Spider-Man away! I'll be back with help soon.
So, what's you been up to, Hulk? Oh, you know, smashing stuff. What about you? Yeah, me be smashing stuff too. Right on. Fist bump. Oh, now me gray again. This silly. Me sure hope Spider-Man get back soon with help. Yeah. Hey, wait. I just remembered I'm a bad guy. Oh, right, you are. Well, that took care of the Rhino, but me still gray. Oh, you turned me red again, Spider-Man.
Sorry, but I brought somebody that can help. It's Captain America.
Da 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 da! I'm Captain America. Let's see here. Spider-Man tells me that every time you touch someone, you turn into their color.
Yeah, pretty crazy.
I'm not sure if I believe you.
Well, you better believe me. Look.
Whoa! You're blue now! That's crazy!
I know. Hulk's supposed to be green, not blue. Now fix it.
I only know of one person with the brains to fix such a problem.
Ooh, I know.
That's right. We need Iron Man.
Let's go get him.
Oh, you turned me red again, Spider-Man!
All right, Iron Man's on his way right now.
Yo, what's up, dudes?
Me have big problem, Iron Man. Every time me touch something, me turn colors. Look.
Ow, that hurt.
But now me blue.
This is really weird, Hulk. But I've got an idea. You say that every time you touch something, you turn that color, right?
Yeah.
Well, what if you touch something green?
Something green? Like what?
Hold on, I've got an idea. What if you touch something green like this big fist? Bonk!
Hey, what you do that for? Hulk gonna smash... Wait, Hulk green again! It worked! It worked!
All right!
Now everyone's back to their proper color.
Good job, everybody. We got Hulk back to green. Kazaa! 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 It's time for Marvel Color Changers. We've got a bunch of really cool Marvel Hero Masher toys today, but the special thing about them is they're gonna change colors. You wanna know how? It's because we have Loki's Magic Scepter, and anytime we touch one of these toys with the Magic Scepter, they're gonna change colors. Don't believe me? Just watch me change Spider-Man's color. Right now, Spider-Man is red. But would you like to see him turn yellow? Let's do it. Skazaa! Alright, we just turned Spider-Man yellow. That's crazy looking, isn't it? Do you want to see me change him another color? Okay, Let's tap him with the scepter again and change his color again. Kazaa! Now he's a purple Spider-Man. I've never seen a purple Spider-Man before. What do you think about that? Let's change his color one more time. Let's turn him into an orange Spider-Man. Aha! That's a pretty cool looking one. Alright, let's see if we have any other color changing figures to play with. Hulk Smash! Alright, now we're going to change Hulk's color. What color do you think we should change Hulk to with Loki's magic scepter? Let's try blue first. Ready for a blue Hulk? Here it comes. Kazaa! Alright, now there's a blue Hulk. Isn't that crazy looking? But we can turn him into even more colors. In fact, we could even take away his color completely. Let's turn him into a gray Hulk. Ready? Here we go. Kazaa! You're gray now, Hulk. But I think I like him more with color, huh? What color do you think would be really good for the Hulk, since he gets so angry all the time? Yeah, I think we should turn him red, because he's so angry. Ready? Let's turn the Hulk red. Kazaa! Alright, a red Hulk. That's really cool looking. He's probably my favorite. Let's see if we have any other Marvel color changing toys. Now, Captain America is usually red, white, and blue, but I think we should turn him red, white, and pink. Kazaa! A pink Captain America. How cool is that? I've never seen a pink Captain America before, but it looks pretty good. Let's see, what other colors could we change him? Let's try turning him green. Ready? When I tap him with Loki's magic color-changing staff, he's gonna turn green. Let's do it. Kazaa! It's a green Captain America. Isn't that ridiculous? What other colors should I change him? Let me change him to yellow. That's a pretty fun color. Alright, when I tap him with this staff, he's gonna turn yellow. And kazaa! Now he's a yellow Captain America. That's pretty rad. I think we have one more color-changing Marvel toy. Let's check it out. This is Loki. We've been using his staff to get up to all sorts of mischief, but I think we should use his staff on him too. Loki's usually yellow, so let's turn him blue. Ready? Kazaa! Alright, now Loki is blue. That's pretty silly looking, isn't it? I think we should change him into even more colors. Like pink. Kazaa! Now he's a pink Loki. That's super funny. Let's change him into one more color. How about green? Huzzah! Now Loki is green. There you have it. There's our color-changing Marvel toys. Oh no! These Marvel superheroes have gotten their colors all mixed up. Hulk is blue, Captain America is red, and Spider-Man is green. That's not right. We've got to fix them. Don't worry though, we've got Loki's magic color-changing staff, and we can use it to get all these superheroes back to their right colors. Are you ready to help me change them back? Let's do it. First, we need to take away all their colors so that we can put the right one back on the right hero. Alright, I'm going to take away their colors. Let's start with the Hulk. Alright, I've got Hulk's color now. Now, let's get the color off of Spider-Man. Okay, now we just have to get the color off of Captain America, and then we can start putting the right ones back on them. Alright, now that we've gotten the wrong colors off of all these heroes, we can start putting the right colors back on. Let's start with the Hulk. What color is the Hulk supposed to be? Is the Hulk supposed to be green? Yes, the Hulk's supposed to be green. So we're going to use Loki's magic color-changing staff to turn the Hulk back to green. Here's how this is going to work. I'm going to say green 3 times with your help, and then when we tap him with the staff, he'll be green again. Ready? Say it with me. Green, green, green. All right, we got the Hulk back to green. Just 2 superheroes to go. You sure are good at this. Let's change Spider-Man back now. What color should Spider-Man be? Should Spider-Man be red? All right, I need your help changing Spider-Man back to red. Say it with me 3 times, and then when I hit him with the staff, he'll be red again. Ready? Here we go. Red, red, red. All right, Spider-Man's back to red. Good job. Now we just have 1 more superhero to put back to the right color. What color should Captain America be? I think he's supposed to be pink. All right, I'm gonna turn him pink. Here we go. Wait a minute, that's not right. Captain America's not supposed to be pink. He's supposed to be red, white, and blue. That's right. Silly me, I get mixed up all the time. All right, let's turn him back to blue. Let's say blue 3 times together, and then when I hit him with the staff, he'll be blue again. Ready? Here we go. Blue, blue, blue. All right, we did it. We finally got all these Marvel superheroes back to their right color. Thanks so much. I couldn't have done it without your help. Oh no! All of these Blaze and the Monster Machines toys have gotten their colors all mixed up. Zeg is blue, Blaze is green, and Crusher is red. That's not right. We've got to fix this somehow. Don't worry, I have a magic color-changing pen that's going to help us put these toys back to their right colors. But I'm going to need your help. Ready? Let's get color changing. First, we need to take away all of the mixed up colors so that we can put the right colors back on the right vehicle. All right, here we go. I'm going to take away their colors. Let's start with Crusher. All right, Crusher's color is taken away. Let's take away Zeg's color next. Cool, got him. Now we just got to take away Blaze's color. All right. Now they've got no color, but don't worry, we'll fix them. Let's start with Crusher. What color should Crusher be? Should Crusher be blue? Yes, Crusher should be blue. All right, I need your help. Say blue with me 3 times, and then when I tap him with my magic color changing pen, he'll be blue again. Ready? Let's do it. Blue, blue, blue. All right, we did it. Crusher is back to blue. Now we just have to fix Zeg and Blaze's color. Let's do Zeg next. What color should Zeg be? Should Zeg be green? Yes, Zeg should be green. All right, I need your help again. Say green with me 3 times, and then when I tap him with my magic color changing pen, he'll be green again. Ready? Let's do it. Green, green, green. All right, we did it. Zeg is back to green. Oh man, we've almost got this in the bag. Let's fix Blaze, all right? Okay. What color should Blaze be? Should Blaze be purple? I'm gonna make Blaze purple. Here we go. Purple, purple, purple. Wait a second. That's not right. Blaze isn't supposed to be purple. That's just silly. My bad. What color is Blaze really supposed to be? Oh, right. Blaze is supposed to be red. How could I be so silly? Alright, say it with me 3 times. Say red with me 3 times, and when I touch him with my magic color changing pen, he'll be the right color. Ready? Red, red, red. Alright, we finally got all these toys back to the right colors. Thanks for helping me out. Well, look what we have here. It's our Peppa Pig playset. Here we have Peppa Pig and her whole family, including Daddy Pig, Peppa Pig, George Pig, and Mummy Pig. This playset looks like quite a lot of fun, and I can't wait to get inside and start playing with these fun toys. So let's open it, shall we? First, we have to open up the side. I can't wait to see what kind of adventures we'll have with Peppa and all her family. This should be quite a lot of fun. First, we have to get through the cardboard on the outside of the wrapper. There we are. Now, we just have to get Peppa and all of her family out of the packaging. Let's start with Daddy Pig. He's the biggest, so he should be the easiest to pop out. There we are. It's Daddy Pig. Daddy Pig is certainly the biggest of all Peppa's family, and he has the loudest snort. Hello, Daddy Pig. We'll set him down there for a second. Now let's get the rest of the pigs out. Let's get Peppa Pig out next. Hello, Peppa. Hello! Peppa Pig is a lot of fun. She enjoys having adventures with all her friends and family. Now let's get her brother George Pig out. Come on out, George. Hello! Hello, George. It's good to see you out and about and ready to play. We still have one more pig to get out of the package. It's Mummy Pig. Come on out, Mummy Pig. Mummy Pig loves Daddy Pig very much, and also Peppa and George. It certainly looks like we're going to have some fun adventures playing with these toys. Whoa! Check out all these cool Marvel Hero Mashers that we have. We've got Iron Man, Hulk, Captain America, Spider-Man, and plenty of villains to go with them. Today, we're gonna work on making the craziest, kookiest mashups you can imagine. Take Hulk and Iron Man here, for example. How silly would it be if we took Hulk's head and we put it onto Iron Man's body? Whoa, that's silly! It's Hulk in an Iron Man suit. Now let's take Iron Man's head and put him on Hulk's body. Now it's Iron Man with giant Hulk fists. That's totally goofy. But I bet we can make even sillier combinations. Like this. What if we take Spider-Man's head and put him on Captain America's arm? What? That's crazy! Now Captain America has Spider-Man's head on his arm. And then we can take Captain America's hand and put it on Spider-Man's head. Oh, that's silly. Now Spider-Man has a head for a hand for a head, and Captain America has a head for a hand. How is Spider-Man ever going to see where he's going? And how is Captain America ever going to pick anything up with that head? I bet we can get even crazier. What if we take Loki's head and put it onto Captain America's other arm? I've heard that 2 heads are better than 1, but what about 3 heads? Now Captain America has Spider-Man on one arm and Loki on the other. Oh, silly Captain America. Let's try taking off all of Rhino's parts and putting on some different parts, huh? What do you think is the craziest thing we could do with Rhino? Well, let's take Hulk's big fist and stick it on one end, but let's do it on backwards to make it even sillier. Now his fist is upside down. Alright, now let's take Spider-Man's web-slinging arm and put it onto this side. Alright, now whose head should we put on him? Yeah, let's put on Hulk's head. No, Captain America would be even funnier, wouldn't it? Alright, here's Captain America's head. Whoa, that's a silly mashup if I've ever seen one. It's Captain America on the Rhino's body with a web-slinging hand and the Hulk's fist. How goofy can you get? I bet we can do even sillier stuff, though. Here, let's swap out Ultron's right arm with Iron Man's big gun arm. Rawr, now he's got a big gun on his arm. But you know what would look even sillier? Is if we took off Ultron's head and put a giant fist on it. Now he has a huge fist for a head. Now let's take off his other arm and put on Spider-Man's head. That's pretty cool looking, but I think we can do even better. Let's take off Loki's cape and put it on their back. Oh, it might not fit because the arm is too big. Okay, let's try putting the fist on his arm. And let's put Spider-Man's head on there. And now we can put Loki's cape on. Here we go. Just gotta get it on his back here. Is it gonna fit? Maybe we need to put the cape on first. Hey, there we go. Now he's got Loki's cape. And he's got Spider-Man's head. That's pretty goofy, isn't it? Now let's put the Rhino's hammer onto this fist right here. Like that. So now he's got both a fist and a hammer. Talk about clobber time. Can we put anything else on this figure? Let's try putting Loki's big stick onto Iron Man's gun. Whoa, we have so much stuff on this figure. We have Loki's scepter, Loki's cape, Hulk's fist, Rhino's hammer, Iron Man's gun, Spider-Man's head, and Ultron's body. How goofy is that? But there's still some figures that we haven't mixed up, like the Red Skull.
Oh no, don't mix me up.
Don't mix me up. Oh, we're gonna mix you up, Red Skull. What do you think is the funniest way we can mix him up? I know. Let's put Captain America's shield on his head. Wouldn't that be goofy? Now the Red Skull has a shield coming out of his head. That's so silly. What would make it even sillier is if we put the Rhino's head on his arm. Oh, that's goofy. Whose head do you think we should put on this arm? Let's put on Spider-Man's head. Will it fit? Hey, it did! Now he's got 2 heads for arms and an arm for a head. That's not right. Let's see if we can do other combinations. Do you think we can put 3 arms on one body? Let's try it with Captain America. First, let's put on Hulk's giant fist. Alright. Now, let's put on Captain America's big gun. Okie dokie. Now, let's use Spider-Man's web-slinging wrist. That's back here. There we go! It's Fist Man! He has the fist of Hulk, Iron Man, and Spider-Man. There's no job that this handyman can't handle. Now let's put all the heads on one body too. Let's put Iron Man's head on Hulk's arm. Let's put Captain America's head on his other arm. And let's finish off by putting Loki's head on top of it all.
Hey, what do you guys want for lunch? Oh, anything but Mexican again. We have it every week.
Oh, these guys can never figure out where to go for lunch. They're going to constantly be arguing with each other. All right. I think we've seen some pretty cool combinations that we can make with these figures. This has been a lot of fun.
Hulk smash!
Look what we got here today. We have some really cool superhero smasher toys featuring awesome Marvel heroes like Spider-Man, Iron Man, and Captain America. I can't wait to get into these toys and start opening them up so that we can swap them around and have lots of cool battles. We can put Hulk's head on Spider-Man and Red Skull's fist on Iron Man. Let's do it. First, we're going to open up this play set with Hulk and Loki. Loki's a pretty cool villain, but I really like the Hulk. The Hulk is big and green, and when he gets angry,
Stuff gets smashed!
alright. First, we gotta take off the back of the box, and then we can pull out our toys. How cool is this? Let's pop Hulk out first.
Hulk is free! Arr!
Hulk comes with a little fist that we can stick on him. Like this.
Roar! Me Hulk, me smash! Oh!
But he also comes with this huge fist. I want to see what he looks like with that on. Whoa, that's a massive fist!
Hulk smash!
He's so heavy with that fist, he can't even stand up. Let's get Loki out next. Loki has a crazy staff that he can use to control people's minds. But it doesn't work on Hulk, because Hulk is just too angry. Come on out, Loki. Alright, here's Loki.
I am Loki, and I'm a trickster. So tricky am I can swap our heads. Boop. Boop.
What? Now Hulk's head on Loki? This not right.
Hulk, now I'm on your body. Oh, this fist is really heavy. I can't even lift up your fist.
Ha ha! Well, Hulk take fist back.
Alright. Oh no, Hulk stole Loki's big fist. And now he's put it on his arm. Boom! Oh! These toys are a ton of fun. I can't wait to get into the other ones and see what kind of fun combinations we can make. Which one should we open next? Let's do Iron Man. Iron Man is Tony Stark, and he's a really smart guy who built a robot power suit. But he's got to fight the evil Ultron, who's another robot, but he's a bad guy. I'm really happy that these toys are so easy to open. There's not much between us and getting ready to play. Alright, let's pop Iron Man out.
I am Iron Man.
Iron Man comes with a couple of different fist attachments. Here he has a rocket fist, so he can shoot rockets at the bad guys. But he also has this huge gun fist. That's crazy. Oh, he's packing some serious heat now. Let's get Ultron out so they can have battles. Come on out, Ultron. I am Ultron. I am a robot. Beep boop. That's exactly how Ultron sounds. Wahahaha, Tony Stark, I will stop you with my energy blade. Whoa, what a cool energy blade arm Ultron has. Just swap him out. Whoa, it's a big sword. Ha ha ha, Ultron, you brought a sword to a gunfight. Oh no, he beat me. Oh no. Do you want to see us open these other superhero toys? Who do we have left? Spider-Man and Captain America. Let's do Spider-Man next. Spider-Man has all the powers of a spider, except for getting super squished. It's a lot harder to squash Spider-Man, but he can climb up walls and shoot webs to cover up his enemies. Let's get in there and pop him out. Okie dokie. Spider-Man has 2 regular hands that he can shoot webs with. But he also has this huge web hand that he can use to slam his bad guys with a big old manhole cover. Whoosh, whoosh. That's a huge web hand. Let's see what Rhino has.
Me Rhino! Me big and strong!
Who do you think is stronger, the Rhino or the Hulk? Here's Rhino. He only has 2 regular hands, but he has a huge hammer that he can use with them.
Oh, this me big hammer. Me use it to make tool shed.
Silly Rhino. We have one more toy to open. This one is Captain America and his arch nemesis, the Red Skull. Captain America is a hero who was a super soldier. He was just a regular guy until he got some serum that turned him superhuman. Now he's really strong and really fast, but he's also just a really great guy. He always believes in doing what's right. Come on out, Captain America. Oh wow, we have lots of cool toys in this one. Okay, so here's Captain America, but we also have his shield. And he can put it on his arm like this, and you can use it to shield himself from bad guys, or even throw it at them. Now let's look at Red Skull. Red Skull is the evil leader of Hydra, and he is one bad dude, let me tell ya. He has some kind of laser gun that he can use instead of his arms. Whoa, watch out, Captain America. Block it with your shield. Boom. Oh no, he blocked my ray gun. And now it's Captain America's turn to fight back with his super shield attachment. Now he can throw his shield really far. Pew! Oh no, he got me. That's a lot of fun. Let's take a look at all of our toys together. We have Captain America, Red Skull, Loki, Spider-Man, Iron Man, Thor. Did I say Thor? I meant Hulk. And Ultron. These look like a lot of fun. Can't wait to play with them next time. Alright, we just got back from Toys R Us, where we picked up some all-new Littlest Pet Shop mystery figures. These figures are from Series 3, and they have tons of cute pets that could be inside. Oh boy, I can't wait to open them up and see what's in there. Let's check them out. Come on out, Littlest Pet Shop. I wonder who'll be in the first bag. Cool. It comes with a little mini poster. This shows us all the different pet figures we can get in this series. Let's try to get them all. Alright, we have a cute little pink box, and who's the pet? Oh, it's an adorable little bunny rabbit. Oh, she's so cute. Oh, and she goes in the little box. That's so sweet. We can even sit her on top of the box. That's silly, isn't it? Oh man, she has really big flopsy ears. What a cute little bunny rabbit. Can we find her on this list? Oh yeah, she's right there. Let's see who's in the other packs. Who do you think will be in this one? I think I want it to be a penguin. Oh, but a squirrel is fine too. What a cute little squirrel. She has a big bushy tail and a taco to sit in. That's silly. Who ever heard of a squirrel taco? I don't want a squirrel in my taco. I guess she just really likes tacos. Can we find her on the list? There she is. Oh, she's so sweet and cute. Oh, but wait. Looks like there's more. She has a little hat that she can put on. Oh, that's so cute. Let's see if we can get it on her head. Now she's a cowboy squirrel.
Howdy, y'all. I'm Sandy the Squirrel. Don't mess with Texas.
That's a lot of fun. We still have one more package that we can open. Oh boy, I'm really excited to see what's inside. What kind of pet do you think will be inside this package? We're about to find out. Ooh, it's something purple. Whoa, it's a purple bunny rabbit. I've never seen a purple bunny rabbit before. Have you? That seems a little ridiculous. She has an orange teacup she can sit in. And she has a little teapot holder for a hat. Oh, that's really cute. Let's see if we can find her on the list. Here she is. She's over here. Wow, what adorable little pets we found. All right. Today, we're going to be opening some Disney Zoom Zoom Series 1 Mystery Stack Packs. There could be all sorts of Disney Zoom Zoom figures in here, like Stitch, or an alien from Toy Story, or the Cheshire Cat. Oh boy, I can't wait to open it up and find out what's inside. I'm hoping it's the Cheshire Cat. He's my favorite. Ready? Let's open them up. Who do you think is gonna be in the first bag? What? Look! It's Marie from the Aristocats. Oh, how cool. She has lots of fun stackable accessories. Let's get in there and check her out. We got these toys from Toys R Us. The packaging is a little hard to get into, so you'll definitely need a grown-up to help you out. Look, it's Marie! Oh, she's so cute! Let's see if we can put her on her little stackable bed. How does this work? Okay, she has a pillow, and then she has these bedposts that should be able to connect to it somehow. Some assembly required, huh? Maybe like this. No, it won't fit that way. It won't fit that way either. Here we go. It should fit like this. Oh, but it doesn't. Let's try the other one. There we go. This sure is fun putting these together. All right, and then maybe this goes on top. Oops, maybe I have it upside down. Hey, there we go. Almost got it. Man, this is tricky to put together. Am I doing this the right way? Or am I being silly? There we go. Now she has a little bed that she can sleep on. Isn't that cute? Oh, Marie, you are one fat cat. All right, let's put Marie down and find out who we have in the other two bags. Which one should I open? I'm gonna open this one first. I hope we get the Cheshire Cat in this one. Who do you think is inside? Oh, cool, it's Sebastian. I like Sebastian a lot too. He's a really fun crab. Even though he's a crab, Sebastian always looks out for his friends. And he's all around a great guy. You can't say that he has a crabby personality. All right, here's Sebastian. He has some stackable accessories as well. It looks like some kind of undersea orchestra. Yeah, look, here's some clams. I wonder how these go together. Okay, this is a little easier to put together than the last one. And then we have this seaweed. I'm not sure where the seaweed goes. Maybe it's like this. Aha! We did it. Now Sebastian can lay on the seaweed. Darling, it's better down where it's wetter under the sea. That's a really cute looking Sebastian. Let's put him over here with Marie. Who do you think will be in the last mystery figure pack? Oh, I hope it's the Cheshire Cat. It is! It's the Cheshire Cat. How lucky is that? Oh man, I'm really excited to get this one out. We're all mad down here, Alice. I love the Cheshire Cat. We're so lucky that he was in our last pack. What are the odds of that? It looks like he comes with a tree. Cats like trees, but they often get stuck in them. But I'm pretty sure the Cheshire Cat could come down whenever he feels like it. Okay. We have a little thing here we can stick it in. And then we can put this one on this side. Do I have it the right direction? There we go. Now we have a fun little tree from Wonderland. And the Cheshire Cat can sit in it. Boop. Isn't that fun? Wow, these are some really fun figures. Let's see if we can stack them all on top of each other. Oh, it's getting a little tricky. Whoa. Whoa! Oh, they all fell down. All right, look what we have here today. It's an all-new Mickey Mouse Clubhouse playset. We got this from Target, and it has a ton of fun figures inside, like Mickey, Goofy, Pluto, Donald Duck, and Minnie Mouse. All right, I can't wait to get inside and start playing. So let's open it up. First, we have to peel off the back. Let's try not to get too messy. Now that the back is off, we can pull out the figures from inside. I'm really happy that these toys are so easy to get into. Sometimes it can be pretty hard to open up toys. Let's take out Mickey Mouse first. Hooray, it's Mickey. Oh, hi kids. Are you guys ready to play? This is fun. Mickey can bend over and do squats. Yay, exercising Mickey. We'll set him down right here. Oops, look out, Mickey. He fell over. Oh, he seems to be having a hard time standing up, doesn't he? We'll just set him up on his feet like that. Who should we get out next? Let's get out Minnie Mouse. Oh, hello, everyone. I'm Minnie Mouse. Minnie Mouse has a really cute little bow and dress. And she can also do sit-ups. Whee! We'll put her over next to Mickey, because they like to hold hands. Who should we get out next? I know, Donald Duck. Donald Duck is pretty silly because he doesn't wear any pants.
What's the big idea?
Silly Donald. He can also do sit-ups. We'll put him right here. Now let's get out Goofy. Gosh! Goofy sure is the tallest one, isn't he? He's pretty clumsy, too. I wonder if he'll have a problem standing up. There's one more toy for us to get out, and it's my favorite. It's Pluto! Pluto's my favorite because I like dogs. There you have it. We have Mickey Mouse, Minnie Mouse, Donald Duck, Goofy, and Pluto. Thanks for watching. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video.